The history of Brazil and aviation has a lot of in common. Even before Santos Dumont, another Brazilian proved before Portugal's Kurt that hot air is lighter than coldest air. Bartolomeu de Gusmão knew in 1709 that it was possible to fly. Until the 20th century, many searched for this dream, but the achievement was accomplished by Alberto Santos Dumont, who made the first documented flight in the world's history in 1906. It was the proof that Brazil had wings, and these wings were as big as nation's dream. 40 years later, a group of visionaries planted the seed that would later become the Brazilian Aerospace Cluster. That's when CTA, ITA, and Embraer's history started. In October 1968, the seeds had germinated and gave its first fruit, the two-engine turbopropeller that started Embraer's history. The Pioneer took off and reached the skies. Along with the first flight and the sales success, Brazil made a change for better. It had high technology, qualified professionals, top materials, and a great chain of suppliers to make sure that the aircraft represented the country with excellence all over the world. Eventually, in the 80s, the biggest aerospace cluster in Latin America came up, located in São José dos Campos, São Paulo. Today, the Brazilian Aerospace Cluster is complete, and it relies on more than 100 companies and 25,000 professionals that together make this area one of the world's suppliers. Words like technology, innovation, competition, and professionalism merge in the segment that grows every day. Quality is guaranteed through the procedures of certification and approval coordinated by the IFI, Institute of Industrial Factoring from CTA. The Brazilian Aerospace Cluster is present in each part of the aircraft, such as research and development, simulator programs, engineering, projects, electronic projects, compound materials, manufacturing, machinery, stamping, assembling, processed systems, interiors. And the cluster is also present in all the aerospace chain, aeronautical equipment, defense material, air traffic control, sport aircraft, no crew airline vehicles, and several services that complete the Brazilian Aerospace Cluster. Technical documentation, purchase management, helicopters, tracing procedures. Brazilian Aerospace Cluster, innovation, technology, and experience.